Hey, what's going on, guys? This is John here, and we are at the NWR Financial Testimonials group. You can also visit this group as well. It is free, to go ahead and join this group. It's free to join it. It's a public group. It's open to everybody. So you can also look at these testimonials as well. And I want to go through a few of them so that you guys can see the testimonials that people are getting their credit fixed. So here's the first one. I am so excited. Just checked my credit score. It has come a long way since letting the experts with NWR service me. I am so grateful and thankful I got started. My before is on the left and my after is on the right. I received a 68-point increase. These services are amazing. Thank you, NWR. All right, you see the results right here. Okay, let's go ahead and keep it moving. You see people congratulating. All right, and here we go. We have my own results. When I was in FBS, they got me credit score of 4 points, but NWR got my credit score of 76 points. Look at that. As you can see, from 561 to 607. Okay, and you can see these are updated. It's in September, and it's updated. It's nothing old. Okay, so we have one here. This just happened. My very own testimony continued 2 months strong. Okay, you see this company and their experts are fire. My scores increased within 21 days, and now my credit card limits are increasing. You can see the credit limit here, credit line right here. All right, getting approved for things, and life is great, as you can see. All right, we got $26,464 paid off as of March 29, 2019. Nice way to end the month. Thank you, MoneyMax, CreditMax, and CreditMax experts for the directives. You can see healthy finances. Well, you can see here, look at that. And you can see here now that is paid it off. Look at that. Things getting paid off. They're helping you with your finances, making things great for you and your family. Also, this is you can be with this company as a business opportunity. You can offer these services to other people as well if you would like to and get paid. Okay, so you can build your credit and you can also make a good living with this as well, if you would like that option. But if you wanted to build your credit alone, you can just do that alone. You don't have to, give the services to anybody else. But if you do know anyone, you can recommend them to me. As you can see, $30 daily guarantee. They're getting paid daily, $30. All right, as you can see, just secure the 900 a month, $10,000, $800 a year, and it is going to be residual income to them. Okay, she is offering the services, helping people change their lives. As you can see, NWR Financial Credit Max, it's the real deal. Getting their credit score increased. All right, this is a nice one here. I like this one. My TransUnion score went up 91 points in 6 weeks after starting NWR Financial, taking my score from the good range to the excellent range. Equifax says that my 809 credit score is excellent. I am proof that our company is excellent. Everyone needs financial edge, which is one of our services here that we offer. As you can see here, it went up 91 points in 6 weeks. That's less than 2 months. Less than 2 months, 91 points, your credit score can increase. Okay. All right, let's keep it moving. As you can see, wow, these are the results that NWR got my fiance April in 14 days. Uploaded her documents not even 2 full weeks ago, and boom, a 49-point increase in just 7 days. This company and its services are godsend. As you can see, the results here in 7 days, 49 points. Look at that. Okay, this is a really amazing service if you would like your credit score increased and things moved on credit, loans, bankruptcies, stuff. Um, Anything that damages your credit, experts will work on your credit for you and get those things removed. And they will try their best to do what they can do. Okay, as you can see, my credit score climbed 14 points. And let me see if I can show you guys one of my favorite ones here. But this one here is nice. As you can see, okay, when you wake up on a lovely Saturday morning, check your credit and seeing that bad boy went up 80 points. And you're sitting at 712. This spring I was at 702, and they had some unexpected purchases and stuff like that, but it went up 80 points. Okay, from where they are, it's really good. 13 points increase in less than 30 days. As you can see, it doesn't take long for your credit score to increase with this company. They really help you out. They really work on your credit and try to make sure that you are really, really satisfied. As you see, look at it, just check my credit and my credit score shot up 35 points in 30 days, thanks to NWR Financial. All I did was upload my credit reports and the experts did the rest. Like I said, these guys are professionals. They will work on your credit and make sure that, it is looking nice. Okay. And things are getting done. Okay. So credit score increased 95 points. Also, this one here, like I said, you can use this as a way to make some extra income and things like that. And you can also build your credit. This is an all-around service. Because I can't believe I'm at $3,000 daily, guaranteed monthly, $1,000, $1,250 luxury car bonus, $1,000 presidential club monthly bonus, for a grand total of $5,250 of monthly residual income in my first 5 months. As you can see, that's an annual of $63,000 yearly without going to school for 4 years or working 40 hours a week with a degree. Oh my God. And let's go ahead and look at these results. $100 daily, this guy is getting $100 daily, and also you have $1,000 monthly bonus. Okay. Like I said, you can also use this as something to offer to people to actually earn income. You can also build your credit at the same time. My score went up 11 points, 2 inquiries removed, 8 accounts removed. I'm so happy. All right, let's see if I can show you guys another one. And then we're going to show you guys actual services that this company offers. Let's see here. What's this one here? Let's see here. People are getting their cars. They're getting the car that they want. They're getting the house that they want. They are getting things done. Also here, they're able to apply for cards. You can see the possibilities. So that when your credit increases, so does your possibilities. Look at what I got approved for. Look at this $300 credit card with Capital One. Let's see what else it says. Okay, you can read through that. And they're getting approved for credit cards that they always wanted. Let's see what else we got. 80 points up in only 2 months. 80 points up in only 2 months. 2 months, you guys. It just keeps going on. Testimonials keep going on. As you see here. Okay, let's see. I joined NWR, sent in my documents as fast as I could, and already changed my W-4. And also it's going to be overpaying. Okay, improving the credit. They're loving the opportunity already. So we're getting things removed. As you can see here, I am excited to report that my credit score has come up since joining NWR. I also increased my monthly take home of $260 just following the W-4 suggestions made when I first signed up. And also, you guys, I wanted to mention that you do get a pay increase if you are working at a job. They help you get a pay increase. Yes, this company helps you get a pay increase, fixes your credit, helps you earn if you would like to. The services are just really amazing. As you can see, credit score has went up 29 points. I can go on and on and on and scroll through this. I want you guys to go ahead and check this out. But what I want you to do is stay tuned, because I'm going to go ahead and go over this right now, which is the actual services here. You see, improve your credit score from 50 to 150 plus points on average. And, this is all the stuff that, these services do, and we offer it to you. Okay, it helps 1,000 consumers remove and correct late payments, collection accounts, state and federal tax liens, automobile repossession, judgments, foreclosures, bankruptcy, items, charge-offs, ID theft, entries, incorrect, outdated entry. See what's included: free credit reports, TransUnion, Experian, Equifax provided through annualcreditreport.com, professional analysis of your credit reports by CreditMax restoration experts, unlimited personalized disputes. We have updated credit reports provided by each reporting agency to show all items corrected or deleted, customer portal to keep you informed on where we are in the process, credit rebuilding services to help you establish or reestablish your credit history, identity theft correction. All right, let's keep it moving. It helps you get out of debt, as you can see. has the Equity Max benefits, has the Money Max to help you with your finances, creating a budget to make sure that you're spending your money right, and helping you with college and helping you with your estate and things like that to make sure that you're really well off. Okay. Also, I forgot to mention you guys to have a private reserve account